Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who from year to year is extremely accurate in predicting Apple's new products due to connections with component suppliers, shared his latest forecast for the next generation of iPhone smartphones. According to him, next year we are waiting for as many as 5 smartphones iPhone. In March 2020, the successor of the popular compact smartphone iPhone SE will debut. We will continue to call it iPhone SE 2 for convenience. About the ideological successor to the iPhone SE, which was released in 2016 and at the start cost from $399, before that we heard a lot of rumors. The latter indicated a design similar to that of the 4.7-inch iPhone 8 and specifications at the level of iPhone 11. The only difference is the screen. Instead of the OLED display, the budget iPhone will get an LCD screen. Since then, nothing has changed in this regard. Summarize the alleged characteristics of the iPhone SE 2, 4.7-inch LCD screen, SoC Apple A13, single megapixel camera with 12 megapixels and single selfie camera of the same resolution, 3 GB of RAM, 64 or 128 GB of internal flash memory, 2000 mAh battery, perhaps the only oddity, Touch ID fingerprint scanner, support 4G LTE, IP68 protection, and wireless charging.